teenagers are doing this and making thousands of dollars, and all they're doing is copying, pasting, and uploading videos. No face, no voice, no editing skills required. What if I told you that today you could start a YouTube channel without recording a single video? No camera, no voiceover, not even showing your face. And the best part, you can earn real money doing it, even while you sleep. Hey friends! Welcome back to AI Money Secret, the channel where I show you how to build income streams using AI, even if you're starting from zero. In this video, I'll show you how to find viral videos legally, how to edit them without using your face or voice, how to make them 100% monetizable on YouTube, and how to upload them for massive reach and daily income on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to walk you step-by-step method that's making people thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts, using AI and some copy-paste magic. And yes, this method comes with a guarantee of monetization, but don't just take my word for it. Let's look at the proof. There's a channel that uploaded only few videos using this exact same copy-paste method. Today, they have over 2 million subscribers and earn thousands per month. Their video views are mind-blowing. Most of the videos' views are in millions. Even their newest videos are getting 6 million, 3 million, 9 million views each. Every single video is going viral. And yes, their channel is 100% monetized. They even have the verified badge from YouTube, and when I open one of their videos, you can see the super thanks icon in the comment section, which means viewers can send them tips, and they're eligible to receive that money. So yes, their channel is fully monetized, and you can do the same by creating these AI-generated animal story videos using the simple steps I'll show you. But here's the catch. To get monetized, you must follow 3 secret settings, 3 key tricks that I discovered after deep research. If you miss even one step, all your hard work might go to waste, and your channel could get rejected for monetization. That's why you need to watch this video till the end. Every second is important. And hey, before we start, quickly hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more powerful videos like this in the future. Alright friends, now let me show you the easiest way to get started. You only need to copy, paste, and upload. Step 1. Find viral AI videos to reuse all right. Let's start by finding the content you'll use. Open Google Chrome and type Pinterest.com. Now in the Pinterest search bar, type AI plus animal name. Example, AI cat, AI rabbit, AI dog. Here, I write the animal name because I am showing you an example for the animal-related shorts. But you can choose this as per your niche. This will show you hundreds of animated AI-generated short videos. These are visually appealing, get tons of engagement, and best of all, they're free to access. Now, pick a video that has an emotional or funny story, clear visuals, good animation. Found one? Great. Don't click Save. That only saves it inside Pinterest. Instead, tap the share icon, then copy the link. Step 2, download the video to your phone. Now let's get this video into your gallery. Go to Google and search Pinterest Video Downloader. Click on the link says pinterestdownloader.com. Now paste your copied link into the box and hit download. It will save the video to your phone. Boom! You've now got a viral AI video ready to repurpose. But wait, don't upload it yet. Uploading this video as is will get flagged as reused content and you get the copyright warning. You must edit it properly. Let's fix that first before upload. Step 3, edit the video to make it monetizable. You'll now use a free app like VN App, InShot, CapCut. I recommend VN App for clean editing. Follow these steps. Open VN App, tap the plus icon, import your downloaded video. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Mute the original sound completely. Tap text T and add catchy title like The Struggle of a Cat, Cat's Journey, Sad Rabbit Story. Next, add a watermark with your channel name as text. Example, at Calm Tales. Make it small and reduce opacity so it looks like a logo. Go through your video and split scenes where there's a visual change. Add transitions like blur, zoom, or dissolve between those clips. Then tap filters and adjust the color slightly. Make it feel original by applying color grading. Tap Apply to All so it affects the whole video. Congrats! Your edited video is now different enough to be original content. Step 4. Export your video. Now just hit the export icon on the top right. Choose resolution 1080p, FPS 30 or 60. Tap export. The video will be saved to your phone. This is now your version, safe, monetizable, and 100% ready to publish. Step 5. Upload with viral sound. Now it's time to upload. Open the YouTube app in your mobile and under the YouTube icon, click on the circle icon and go to Trending and click on the music. Now find the best music for your shorts. Once you select the music, click on the remix button and select the sound from Trending Short. Why this step matters? Because using trending music helps your shorts go viral faster. Now import the video you just exported from the VN editing application and add voice over if you want. Add the text on screen. For entertainment purposes only, this helps when YouTube audit your channel for monetization. Step 6. Now set the secret YouTube settings. Now here's the part most people miss, but this determines whether your channel will be monetized or not. Tap the pencil icon to edit your short. Select a thumbnail from your video's best moment. Title your video clearly. Set visibility. Schedule or post at your best time. Important, scroll to Advanced Settings. Click on the altered content and click Yes. This is very important to say yes as to avoid breach of any monetization policy. This tells YouTube you edited it yourself. Most people skip this and they get rejected for monetization. Step 7. Monetize and earn. Once you consistently upload shorts with proper edits, trending music, and smart text overlays, you'll start getting views. And once your channel eligible for YouTube monetization, apply for YouTube Partner Program. Enable Super Thanks, Super Chat. Earn from ad revenue, plus brand sponsorships, plus shorts bonuses. Bonus tips. Post 1 to 2 shorts daily for consistency. Pick emotional or funny animal videos. They perform best. Use your community tab to engage audience. Add your shorts into playlists to boost traffic. Let's recap what you just learned. How to copy-paste AI videos from Pinterest. How to edit them to become your original content. How to avoid reuse copyright strikes. How to upload using trending sound. And how to monetize for passive income, all without your face or voice. If this blew your mind, then smash that like button. Comment below if you have any question. Subscribe for more Faceless AI income tutorials every week.